Hi, this is Chef Vicky Ratnani and today we are creating some fantastic recipes with this amazing product which I have in my kitchen, Versatie by Riches. It's newly being launched in India and believe me, this is going to be one of the most indispensable ingredient for your kitchens. So today we're going to be making one of my favorite pastas, penne with pesto. Now I'm going to be doing a beautiful version of this because aajkal everybody, whenever I make a pesto, they want to have a creamy pesto. How do we create a really fantastic creamy pesto? Well, I've got it right here because this cream is going to give me the most amazing creamy texture. You know what? Let's start cooking. First things first, we're going to be cooking our pasta. Now pasta is very simple. Look at the packet and cook it. Simple. Just kidding. So about 9 to 12 minutes in boiling salted water. Now talking about pasta, you can use any kind of pasta for this amazing sauce. Normally for this kind of dish, I like to use a short pasta like penne, or sometimes like when my daughter and my wife, they like long pasta. So I like to use either spaghetti or linguine, but there's totally up to you what's actually available to you. Recommended? Yes, penne. Now, pasta is very simple to cook. You just have to follow instructions. That's all it is. So in a nice big pot of water, I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt to this, okay? Now, when you're talking about water, it has to taste halka sa namkeen, okay? It has to be a little bit salty, which means that this water is absolutely ready for cooking our pasta. Now, generally when we talk about grammages, about 150 to 200 grams is a really good serving of pasta. But today, you know me, I always love to feed my crew and my team. So I'm going to be making about 300 to 400 grams of penne here. Perfecto. Now you got to make sure that you have enough water. Okay. While you're cooking pasta, you make sure you have at least thrice the volume of water in there. Otherwise, they're all going to get stuck to it. Now also there's another hack that you don't really need to have oil in your water, nahi to pasta chipak jayega. That's just a myth. Okay, as long as you have enough water in your pot or pan or wherever you're cooking it, you have to make sure that there is enough water, and once in a while हमें इसे हल्का सा stir करना है. बस, that's it. It's that simple. Now next is we are going to be making a very nice pesto, okay? Now you got to make sure that जो basil आपने खरीदी है, it's absolutely fresh, okay? So generally what we do, हम जब market से basil लेके आते हैं, we actually wash it a little bit and then we pat dry it and then I leave it here on the counter, on the kitchen counter, तो अच्छा dry हो जाता है. तो पहले हम about 40 to 50 grams of fresh basil leaves डालेंगे इसमें. Into that, I'm going to be adding about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Yes, I do like a little extra garlic in my pesto, of course. So I've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and chalo. 6 cloves of garlic. Now, the original recipe of pesto has pine nuts, yani ke chilgo se. But you know what? Don't tell anybody that I told you that, but yes, kabhi walnuts we use kar sakte ho, cashew nuts we use karte ho, almonds also you can use, but peanuts I'm not really sure, okay? So I have pine nuts with me in my kitchen today, so I am going to be using pine nuts, but last week when I had a party I was cooking some, I used some walnuts and also cashew nuts, no big deal, okay? So I'm adding about 20 grams of pine nuts, shelled pine nuts. So now to this I'm going to be adding about 100 mils of oil inside, okay? Literally 100 mils. So first things first, pehle we're going to just give this a little pulse. Pehle hum ise grind karenge and then I'm going to be adding a little bit of parmesan cheese into this, okay? So we have it on pulse. So once your pesto is almost kind of pureed, that's the time I like to incorporate my parmesan cheese into this, okay? So I'll grate about 20 grams to 30 grams of parmesan cheese in here. Perfecto. Great. And then to this, I'm going to be adding a couple of ice cubes as well, okay? So you're going to retain the color of the pesto as well, okay? A little bit of salt to taste. Now remember, जब आप pesto बना रहे हो, you can always add salt much later. Why? Because remember, आप उसमें parmesan cheese भी डाल रहे हो. That's also a little salty. वहाँ पे पानी में नमक है जिसमें आपका पास्ता उबल रहा है. So जरा हलू because salt is not really good for you. Okay. So perfect. Pesto done. Abhi let's start making a real creamy pesto right now. So as you can see, we have this beautiful, lush, lovely pesto here. Okay, perfect. I like to make a really nice smooth pesto. Okay, whenever I'm making pesto, especially for pasta, when I'm actually cooking in India, I like to make my pesto a little smooth and nice. So pasta is done. So we have our pasta which is really nice and al dente. Al dente yani ke it has a nice bite, okay? For me this is cooked, but you know in India we try to eat a little bit of soft pasta. No problem. We're going to be finishing it in right here. So now I have got my pasta. I always reserve and keep the water from the pasta. Very, very important. No? It's going to help us really well to the dish. We're going to be finishing it with Versatie Gold cream to make this pesto into a really creamy pesto. Now, a lot of times what happens is that when you're using cream in cooking, it tends to split. At least here in India, my cream always splits. The best part about Versatie, or one of the best things about Versatie, is that this is heat stable. Yani ki ubalo, nothing's going to happen. Believe me, I'm going to show it to you right now. Oh yes. Now for our creamy pesto. So I'm going to be adding about 60 to 70 ml or grams of this, and then to make this sensational creamy pesto, I'm going to be adding, oh yes, the Versatie Gold. Now this cream, as I told you, it's heat stable. Okay, look at the lovely creamy texture it's already getting into. Beautiful. It's nice and thick. Now when your sauce gets a bit too thick and creamy and you don't really want it really thick and creamy, that's one of the reasons why I keep a little bit of the pasta water is here. So now next we're going to be pouring our pasta in here, and then just going to give it a nice toss. Beautiful. Beautiful, lovely pasta. We're going to be adding a little bit of parmesan cheese to this. Amazing. Pasta with a lovely creamy pesto ready. So we're nicely plating up this, okay? It's beautifully coated. There's a delicious lush happening here. Believe me, this is going to be a game changer. So we have some lovely pine nuts here to garnish it. Some nice parmigiano here. Beautiful. So we have a real shower of parmesan. Then we have a couple of lovely basil leaves. Or hamara penne with creamy pesto using Versatie cream ready.